I am David from Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited. We are in Ruiru Town, Greek Towers, office number D7 and D8. And today I just want to give you a quick summary of the importation process. And with us, you are guaranteed of importing a quality car from Japan, South Africa, UK, and Thailand for pickups and lorries. So the first thing that you need to know is the make of the car that you're looking for. That is, for instance, it's a Toyota Harrier. We need to know it is a Toyota Harrier, and we will go ahead in the market and get you a very, very premium quality car. The first thing, we have to know that the car is right-handed drive, and again, it is meeting the 8 years old rule. So if a car is 8 years older, that car cannot be allowed in Kenya. So that is one thing that you need to be aware of before importing a car with us, or if you're looking to import a car. The second thing is we will dive into the auction and get you a very, very premium car. We import good quality cars from Japan to Kenya. Either you're importing from South Africa, UK, or even Thailand. We ensure that the grade of the car you are importing is a grade 4, 4.5, 5, and if the budget allows, we can go all the way to grade S or grade 6. Having all that, we will show you options available in the market, and we will share with you. Once you choose, we will go ahead and bid that car in the auction. After bidding and we win the unit, we will go ahead and purchase the car. Once we've purchased that car, we will take it for inspection, where it will be verified by the QISJ, that is the Quality Inspection Service Japan, which does the inspection on behalf of KEBS, and they will issue the inspection certificate, that is the certificate of roadworthiness inspection. Once we have that document ready with us, we will go ahead and take that car to the Ministry of Transport in Japan so that we can verify that the car is being legally bought in Japan and legally sold to Kenya. And thereby we will get the certificate that is called the export certificate. This certificate ndio ina verify that that car is being legally bought in Japan and legally sold to Kenya. Having those documents, we will now go ahead and book for your shipping. Once we get the dates, we will share with you the estimated arrival time in Kenya, in the port of Kenya, that is in Mombasa, and the estimated departure time in the port of Japan, whether it is coming from Hiroshima, Yokohama, Kobe. We will let you know of the estimated arrival time and the estimated departure time from Japan. Once that car has departed from Japan, it will take 28 to 55 days. That is dependent on the time of purchase and how far the ship has been arranged. So within a period of 28 to 55 days, your car will be in Kenya, and once the car is in Kenya, we will proceed to clear your car with Kenya Revenue Authorities, that is the KRA, and we will issue you with the duty entry of your specific car. For instance, you are importing a Toyota Harrier 2017 model or 2018 model, the duty is different. So we will issue you with a duty entry of your specific car, and it captures all the details of your car such that once you make the payment, it will reflect on the other end in your email or in your mobile phone via SMS. So once we clear your car, the next step is to register your car. The registration of your car is done by the NTSA, that is the National Transport and Safety Authority. Once the car is registered, you will be issued with your number plate and the logbook, and within a period of 2 or 3 days, your logbook will be out and your mabati number plate, that is mabati, itakuwa imetoka within the next 2 days. So once your car is in Kenya, it takes almost 3 to 4 days to clear your car and to register your car with NTSA. So once we've finished all that, the next step is to book for the carrier that is bringing that car to Nairobi. Basically what we do, we take care of the entire process, just like I've told you, from procurement all the way in Japan to shipping of your car to Kenya, to clearing that car with KRA, registering your car with NTSA, and delivering your car via carriers. We deliver your cars all the way to Nairobi. And that's when you can come and collect your car probably in our office, or alternatively, we can deliver your car to your doorstep or even to your office. So once we deliver your unit to either your doorstep or you come to our office and pick your car, that is the end of our transaction. We will issue you with all the importation documents, all the documents that we imported that car with. That is the export certificate, the certificate of roadworthiness inspection certificate, the bill of landing, the auction sheet, and the Kenyan logbook. We will issue you as in a file. And that will be the end of our transaction. And with that, you are guaranteed of a fast, easy, and efficient importation process. Give us a call via the numbers below, that is 0728 308 043 or 0798 777432, and we will help you with any advice, and you can just call regarding any unit. We will be here at the end of the call to receive your calls, to help you make decisions, to help you even with deciding on the particular car that will fit your budget, that will fit your preference, and it will be a very, very beautiful experience importing a car with Best Cars for Sale in Kenya Limited. Give us a call and let's help you ship this car for you.